Today, I want to talk about something that's been frustrating a lot of traders for years. So let's be honest. Most of us have tried to create our own trading strategies. We get excited, we backtest an idea on some old data, and it looks amazing. Then we try it with real money and it stops working. Or we spend weeks tweaking settings until it looks perfect on paper, but we're never sure if it's actually stable or just lucky on that one period of the market. So we end up asking ourselves, how would this strategy have really behaved in the past? Which settings are usually reliable and not just profitable by chance? And can I trust this enough to put real money behind it, or should I test it with fake money first? Now, these questions are why so many retail traders lose money or they give up on systematic trading altogether. It feels like you're always guessing, always overfitting, and never truly confident. And that's exactly why I got excited when I found Stratcraft. So, Stratcraft is this simple but practical solution to all of these problems. It's a self hosted web app that lets regular people, not just professionals, but regular people, properly test stock trading strategies on real historical data. They can compare different settings and then, optionally run those strategies on your Alpaca paper or live account. It was built by a guy who actually trades what he preaches, and he made it so you can run the whole thing yourself on your own server. So no shady hosted service, no giving away your API keys to some random company, just clean, private, and under your control. So let me break it down in plain English so it's easy to understand. Stratcraft helps you answer those exact questions that I mentioned earlier. How would the strategy have behaved on past market data? Which settings looks more stable, not just more profitable in one lucky test? And do I want to keep watching this in paper trading before I trust it with real money? Now, in practical terms, here's what it can actually do for you. It backtests your strategy ideas on historical daily market data across more than 10,000 stocks that you can trade on Alpaca. It lets you compare built-in strategy templates, and you can try tons of different parameter combinations side by side, and it then ranks those strategies by backtest results, parameter stability, and real out of sample checks. So you're not just, curve fitting to the past. You can attach a strategy to an Alpaca paper account first to watch it trade with fake money in real time. And if you like what you see, you can later switch it to a live account when you're ready to take the risk. Now, once everything is set up, it keeps working quietly in the background. It's refreshing data, it is recalculating signals, it is planning broker actions every day. So basically, it turns guessing into a repeatable, honest process. You stay in full control. Your data stays private and you finally get some clear answers instead of wishful thinking. Now, here's the cool part. The same person who built Stratcraft also runs a YouTube channel called Out of Sample. Link will be in the description. And this channel is pure gold for anyone that wants to get serious about trading strategies. But right now, this channel is seriously underrated. It only has a handful of subscribers, which is crazy because the content is honest, it is data driven, and it is actually useful. So I think it deserves way more appreciation and support from the trading community. So on the Out of Sample YouTube channel, you'll find videos like 1 month of paper trading and the results of it. You see the backtest versus live performance. You can learn about what good strategies for a sideways market are, and you get deep dives into core ideas for market-wide strategies. And he also shows results from trading over 12,000 stocks with just a few simple strategies. And he explains why most backtests fail in real life. And he shares exactly how he thinks about, out of sample testing, the stability and the risk. The videos they're calm, there's no hype, no clickbait, just clear explanation and real performance numbers. So if you watch a few, you will finally understand why proper testing matters, how to avoid common mistakes and how to build strategies that can actually survive real markets. I think it's the kind of content that changes how you think about trading, and it pairs perfectly with Stratcraft because the channel teaches you the why behind the tool. So if you're watching this video, do yourself a favor. Pause this video right now, click the link in the description to get the Out of Sample YouTube channel and watch one or two of his videos. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button. The channel is small, the videos don't get nearly enough views, and every new subscriber and like will genuinely help the creator to keep making more of this high quality stuff. And you'll be sporting real education instead of the usual YouTube noise. Now, coming back to Stratcraft. So once you're excited to try it, setting it up is actually pretty straightforward. You don't need to be a programmer. Basically, you spin up a cheap VPS like on Hedgener, you run one deployment script, point your own domain to it if you want, and you can get a clean, secure web dashboard with HTTPS. From there, you connect your Alpaca account, pick your strategies, and let the system run in the background. Most people have it fully working in under an hour. And the creator made a super clear deployment guide. So everything is explained there. And I have put both of the links to the Stratcraft GitHub link and the direct link to the deployment page in the description below. So just click on those, follow the overview, and you will be up and running fast. Now, to wrap this up, if you're tired of guessing whether your trading ideas actually work, Stratcraft gives you the tool to test them properly and run them automatically. And the Out of Sample channel gives you the knowledge to use it right and also think like a serious trader. Both are free, both are built by the same honest creator, and both are right there in the description. So go check out Stratcraft on GitHub and head over to Out of Sample YouTube channel on YouTube. All the links are in the description, and make sure that you subscribe and drop a comment below with Stratcraft if you are going to try it, and smash the like button if this video helped. And I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.